Aloha from Eva
Eva
Beach.
Beach.
Today I'm so excited. My good friend Denise Ikitani is visiting from Los Angeles. We've known each other a long time. We
Very
first
long.
met at
East West Players, a theater company in Los Angeles.
what show?
Into the Woods. And this was at the old space on Santa Monica Boulevard
In Silver Lake.
a long time ago.
Yes.
The original site of the original.
Yes.
East West
Oh
Players.
my God. Okay, we're aging ourselves. You're gonna show us how to make
Ensaladilla Rusa.
what she said.
Come on, you can say it.
Okay, Ensaladilla Rusa.
Right, which means Russian salad. And, okay, I don't know why it's called Russian salad, but really what it is, it's potato salad. And I thought that because everybody in Hawaii has a special potato salad recipe, mac salad recipe, I thought we would show you the Spanish version.
We should give thanks to your husband Rambo for
He was our sous chef. He prepped all the food. He peeled the potatoes, peeled the carrots, chopped up the olives, measured everything.
but he's so shy. Yeah, he never like be on camera.
He's a very shy flower, just always. Well, we spend a lot of time in Spain because we have a business there. And it's called Cook, Drink, Eat Spain, which we take people on tours of the Basque Country, which is in northern Spain. And in this region, they are famous for, some people would call them tapas, but in the Basque Country, they call them pinchos.
Okay.
Pinchos, because
That sounds cute.
but they're little
I'm
appetizers.
gonna pinchos. Sorry. Wait. Taught me was
This is a very common pincho.
okay. So would that be like an appetizer or poo-poo?
Yeah, exactly, actually.
Oh, okay.
So
Pincho.
pincho poo-poo.
Oh, good. That's fun, yeah. Pincho poo-poo.
P-I-N-T-X-O.
Okay.
Pincho. And from what I've understood, from what my friend Pachi told me,
Okay.
is that pincho means to like pinch.
Oh, okay.
And they used to take these toothpicks and they would put them through different types of food so they would kind of pinch them all
Okay.
together.
Okay.
And that's where the name came from.
Okay.
Okay, so the water's boiling. Now the genius part of this recipe is that it's a one pot recipe. We're gonna start with the potatoes, then we're going to add the carrots, and then we're going to add the eggs, and then they will all come out at the same time at the end.
Okay.
Potatoes. Potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. Do you remember that, Rod? It's been 7 minutes. Time to add the carrots.
All right. Got it. I understand. Shh. Don't make me laugh. I'm the cameraman.
Don't worry that the water went up my nose. It didn't go in the bowl.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Okay. So after 4 minutes, then we're going to add the eggs into the same pot.
You're on.
Okay. Now, it probably should be boiling, but it's okay. Oops, let me shut off the timer. So now, it's time to add 4 eggs. It's supposed to be boiling. It's pretty close. 4 eggs. Now, these eggs are going to go in for 9 minutes, and so it'll be a total of about 20 minutes. We'll still test the potatoes at the end to make sure they're tender enough, so you have to use your judgment. And like Janice says, you make it your way. So if you like your potatoes softer, then you cook them longer. If you like them a little more firm, you can cook them the time that I told you. And these are Yukon Gold potatoes. You can also use red potatoes. Russets will be a little bit more soft. So we like to use Yukon Gold. Okay. Shut it up. Okay. Oh, wait. I can see without my glasses. So, everything's ready. I'm gonna shut off the heat somehow. And now we're going to take out the eggs to cool. Once the eggs are cool, we're going to peel them. We'll test the potato in just a second to make sure that it's done enough. And then we're going to, once everything's cool, because you can't do it when it's hot because you burn your fingers, we're going to dice it into 1/2-inch dice. Okay, we're gonna test the potato. Just take a knife, or I think Janice uses a chopstick, but I use a knife. Oh, and I can tell that the potatoes are not done yet. So that's okay, just leave them in a little bit. And I'm going to blame Janice for this because she turned down the fire. You should have it boiling, a rolling boil the whole time so that everything will cook within that 20-minute period that we put everything in for. I think the little ends of the carrots are done. So I'm gonna take those out. We'll leave the bigger ones in for a little bit, but take a thin knife. Oh yeah, totally done. See how it goes in smoothly so you know it's cooked. Okay, so we have 4 potatoes, 3 carrots, and we're going to go get ready to cut up the eggs. These will cool a little bit so that we can handle them, but we'll go chop the eggs right now. Okay, now we have all of our ingredients. We have the potatoes, the carrots, the eggs, the tuna. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna put the potatoes, which have been diced up, into a 1/2-inch dice. Carrots, all going in. Chopped hard-boiled egg. Sometimes you can save one of the eggs to make a pretty garnish, but we're all putting it in together. And then I'm gonna add the tuna, which we kind of flaked up so that it's smaller pieces. And now our amazing mayo that Rambo made. I'm gonna take about, this is probably about 1.5 cups or 2 cups. I'm gonna put about 1 cup in there. I know it seems like a lot, but that's what you gotta do. And now we're gonna gently fold it all together with a spatula. Gently. You know, Rambo is standing off on the sides, watching to make sure that I'm doing this right. So you can go ahead and yell at me if you want me to do something.
My only tip would be you want to fold it gently, which of course you are doing. So you don't want to break up all your little pieces, especially the potato or the eggs. Everything, you want a little bit of structure in the end. That's why you kind of gently fold it in, and then as you'll describe, you add a little bit more and more and more. Build it. You're building a...
What did you just say?
Olive piece.
So put that in now instead?
Yeah, and then there. Sorry.
So now I'm going to add in some of the olives. Actually, not some. I'm going to add in all of the olives, except this one. And these are peas. Now these are just frozen peas that have been defrosted. You do not have to cook them. They actually taste better and have a better texture if they're just like this. Then I'm going to add more mayonnaise.
Rambo mayo.
We call it Romayo.
Brilliant. Romayo.
Gently fold. Spin. Fold. Spin. Fold. And it's all coming together. I get in trouble for that.
I'm sorry.
No, he yells at me because I like to snack on all the little things.
Rambo's not here, so I'm eating all his hard work.
And Rambo is the guy that prepped all of this food. He peeled the potatoes, he peeled the carrots, all the ingredients that you see here.